On October 16, 2020, youths in Ebonyi State decided to gather for a prayer walk so that God can heal our land. These are snippets. Chronicles 7:14. If my people which are called by my name shall humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, I will hear from heaven and will heal their land. You are enough. Your voice is strategic enough. Your voice is loud enough. Please show up. Quit yourself like men and turn up for God, because it's time for revolution in Nigeria. David took up the responsibility and defeated Goliath on behalf of Israel. Deborah said, I will arise. Esther said, if I perish, I perish. Your voice is needed. Sòró, soke, wherever you get to, in the hospitals, in the schools, in the institutions, on the streets, in the homes, please, Sòró, soke, lend your voice so that God can turn away the reproach and light can rise upon Nigeria. You are strategic enough. Please do not hide away. Achan felt he was not important and he decided to disobey God. And he hindered the progress of a whole nation until they turned back to God. Please let everyone join in this fight. God is counting on us as youths, as young men, as God said to Elijah, go and show yourself to Ahab, and I will send rain upon the land. Please, this is not the time to hide away in your denominational enclaves. It cuts across denominations. It cuts across racial and tribal sentiment. Everyone show yourself. It's time for a new Nigeria. It's time to bet something God is counting on you. You are important. Your voice needs to be heard. Your action needs to be felt. Are you a CMD? Are you a principal? Are you a government worker? Please, Sòró, soke, and let God heal our land. Let everyone rise to this occasion, because surely we must have the Nigeria of our dreams. God bless you.